Did you know that the celebration of spring predates many major religions? Join us as we delve into the rich history of Nowruz, the Persian New Year, a festival brimming with ancient traditions and enduring cultural significance. Nowruz, meaning new day, is deeply rooted in Zoroastrianism, one of the world's oldest monotheistic religions. Its origins can be traced back over 3,000 years to ancient Persia. The festival marks the vernal equinox, the moment when the sun crosses the celestial equator, signaling the start of spring in the northern hemisphere. This astronomical event was seen as a time of renewal and rebirth. Zoroastrianism emphasizes the constant battle between good and evil, light and darkness. Nowruz symbolizes the triumph of light over darkness, a victory celebrated with rituals and festivities. The Achaemenid Empire, which flourished from the 6th to the 4th century BCE, played a crucial role in formalizing Nowruz. Persepolis, the magnificent capital, became the center of Nowruz celebrations. Royal audiences were held, tributes were received, and elaborate feasts were organized. These grand celebrations showcased the empire's power and prosperity. Archaeological evidence, including inscriptions and reliefs at Persepolis, provides valuable insights into the Nowruz rituals of this era. These depictions offer a glimpse into the clothing, food, and customs of the time. Following the Arab conquest of Persia in the 7th century CE, Nowruz faced a period of adaptation. Despite the change in ruling powers, the festival managed to survive and evolve. Many aspects of Nowruz were integrated into Islamic culture, demonstrating the resilience of Persian traditions. The festival continued to be celebrated, albeit with some modifications. Persian scholars and poets, such as Ferdowsi in his epic Shahnameh, played a vital role in preserving the cultural significance of Nowruz. Their works helped to maintain the festival's identity. One of the most recognizable symbols of Nowruz is the Haft-Seen Table. This beautifully arranged spread features 7 items that start with the letter S in the Persian alphabet. Each item on the Haft-Seen Table represents a specific concept, such as rebirth, health, prosperity, and love. The arrangement of the table is a carefully considered ritual. For example, sabza sprouts symbolizes rebirth and renewal, while sur, garlic, represents health and medicine. Samanu, sweet pudding, signifies affluence and fertility. Today, Nowruz is celebrated by millions of people across the globe, particularly in Iran, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Azerbaijan, and Kurdistan. Each region has its own unique customs and traditions. In some areas, the festival is marked by fire jumping, a symbolic act of purification. In others, traditional music and dance play a central role. Despite regional variations, the core values of Nowruz remain the same: renewal, hope, and the celebration of life. It's a time for family gatherings, gift-giving, and feasting. Nowruz is more than just a celebration of the new year. It's a testament to the enduring power of culture and tradition. It connects people to their past while offering hope for the future. The festival's message of renewal and harmony resonates with people of all backgrounds. It serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving cultural heritage. As Nowruz continues to be celebrated around the world, it stands as a symbol of unity and cultural pride. Its rich history and vibrant traditions offer a valuable lesson in resilience and adaptation. Nowruz is a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of history, tradition, and hope. Its enduring legacy reminds us of the importance of cultural preservation and the power of shared celebrations. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the joy of Nowruz. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating cultural and historical explorations, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next journey through history. Let's keep the spirit of Nowruz alive.